Meaning of excursion.
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 Excursion. Excursion refers to a short journey or trip that is typically taken for leisure or educational purposes. It can also involve a deviation from one's usual routine or activities. The result of an excursion can vary depending on its purpose, but it usually involves experiencing new places, cultures, or environments. Some people may find excursions to be a refreshing break from their daily responsibilities, while others may use them as opportunities for personal growth and learning. Regardless of the specific outcome, excursions can provide valuable experiences and memories that last a lifetime.